In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Substack, a beginner's guide to getting your newsletter journey underway. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Substack's homepage by typing substack.com into the address bar. This will take you to their user-friendly site where all of your future publishing dreams can begin. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right hand of the screen for a button that says Create Account. Clicking on this will initiate the journey to creating your very own Substack account. Next, you'll be presented with a list of categories which help Substack tailor your experience by understanding your interests. Take a brief moment to peruse through these options and select the topics that genuinely interest you. Don't worry too much about missing something because preferences can always be adjusted later. Once you've selected your interests, look for a button labeled Continue. This will guide you through to the next stage. Now, you're likely to see a variety of creators suggested to you based on the interests you selected. You can scroll through these recommendations and perhaps find some new voices that align with your preferences. If someone catches your eye, feel free to delve deeper by subscribing to their content right away. When you're ready, hit subscribe and continue. It's now time to provide your email address. Make sure it's an active email that you regularly check, since this will be your primary mode for receiving updates and newsletters from Substack. After entering your email, the next step is to agree to Substack's terms of use, which ensures you're in the loop about the platform's guidelines and policies. Do read through these terms to avoid any surprises later on. Once you've agreed, click subscribe and join Substack. This formally sets you up as a part of the community. Next, you'll be prompted to personalize your profile. Start by entering your name, then craft a unique handle that represents you and isn't too similar to others. This handle will be part of your Substack newsletter's web address, so choose wisely. To make your profile complete, draft a compelling bio. This bit of text is your chance to tell readers about who you are and what your newsletter will cover. Short and sweet bios tend to grab attention, so keep it concise yet informative. After your bio is set, hit continue. Now, Substack might offer you the chance to download their app. This app can be quite handy for reading newsletters on the go and staying updated seamlessly. While downloading isn't mandatory, it's worth considering for a better user experience. Finally, proceed by clicking continue once more and then start reading to explore the diverse content that awaits. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the world of Substack. You're now all set to start exploring, engaging, and even creating your newsletters when you're ready. Have a great journey ahead in sharing your stories and connections through Substack.